Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk to you and show you about Mitto's new integration with Zoho CRM. We're excited to tell you about our new Number Insight integration. So, when you are in your Zoho CRM, you can do this from the contacts or the leads, and you can go to each individual contact and you can click onto the options of getting a number insight. When you click onto this, it takes a few seconds just to verify the account and to look up and to do the API call. As you can see, it's verified. It shows the details are now going to be available in the notes, attachments, or the insight of number module. So when you click close, you can now scroll down the left hand side and find it into the insight of numbers, but you can also see it in attachments and notes. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the insight of numbers. So when you go into here, you'll see the top one is the newest one. I click into it and you will see this is all the information that we are providing for you as a customer from the mobile number of your customer or your client. So as you scroll down, you'll see all the information that is available. I will talk you through them. So we can show you the country code, we can format it, we can give you the country name, the ISO code, we can show you whether it's a disposable number, so is it a pay-as-you-go or is it on a contract? We can also give you the mobile network and the original network. We then clean up the formatting. So if you just have it as a domestic number, we can remove the country code, but we can also put the country code in front of it so that you have it as a full international number. This is particularly useful for when you are wanting to send messages using SMS, WhatsApp, Viber. You need to have the country code that's relevant. We also can give you a partial email address so you can see whether it's an active account. We then give you the phone number type. Is it a mobile number? Is it a landline number? This is also very, very important because you wouldn't want to be paying for messages going to a landline number when actually, in fact, you can't. So you needed to have the mobile property. We then give it a score. So we can class it as a moderate score in this case. The score is out of 1,000. This is just over half. The score is based around how long it's been active for, how many accounts it's linked to. So is it linked to things like a Google account, an Amazon account? I'll show you this in a second. The lower the score, the more likely it is that there is a potential of a fraudulent account, or it's not being used. So therefore, you can create limits to what you would send to make sure that you are not overpaying for messages that you do not need to pay for. As you scroll down, we'll also have the subscriber status. So this is showing whether the phone is active. So this is really important for us to be able to show you that the phone number is readily available, is being used, you can send messages to. And then becomes the really interesting parts. We can show you, is it linked to an Amazon account, a Facebook account, a Google account, an Office 365 account. We also can show you based on, is it an Instagram account? So this allows you as a marketer as well to build lookalike audiences from your current customers to what your prospects are. So you can do targeted ads when you want. We also, as you scroll further down, can pull profile pictures. So if the profile picture is readily available on Telegram, in this case Skype, or WhatsApp, you'll be able to see this. This account has a WhatsApp business account. So as you scroll further down, you will see that the privacy is set as public. If this was private, you wouldn't be able to see the profile pictures, but you can then click onto the profile picture and you can see that there is a profile picture linked to this phone number. So that is the information that is all readily available now within your Zoho CRM. You can build workflow rules based on that, you can build it into your automation, you can do whatever you like with any of these properties. But the one thing that we're finding is that everybody wants all of this as soon as the contact or lead is brought into your CRM. So what we've done is we've built it into your workflow rules. So if you jump into your workflow rule, you will see that I'm going to show you what it looks on the contact level. So when a contact is created, it will look, in this case, is there a phone number? Is there a mobile number? No or yes? Yes, there is. Then it's going to run this instant action straight away. It will then create the phone number insight record and will sit on their record for you to then use. You can run this multiple times and it will update it, but most of the time this sort of information doesn't change a huge amount, so you might do it occasionally. And that is Mitto's Number Insight in Zoho CRM.